Alright, well, I have an episode today of Saturday Night Shop Talk. And in this episode, I have this little beauty right here. Now, what this is called is a turret for your lathe. Now, there's several makes, models of them. You can even make this at home if you wanted to. Just take the time and you'll get it right. How this works is you take this end, which is a Morse taper number 2, or you can swap it out for a 3 or 4 or whatever you want. That's completely up to you. Or you just get the Morse taper sleeves and you just put it to whatever size you want. If you don't want to swap this out, that's up to you. This lever here, it disengages the turret and allows you to rotate. Then when you get to desire, it'll lock in place, which will always make the hole facing you in center, so it is always parallel with the tailstock. See, now this right here, this screw in the center, you can unscrew that and take this all out and clean it, lubricate it if you want. That's up to you. These little set screws here, that's what holds down your tool. That way it's not slipping on you. You just tighten them up or you loosen them up. Now, this right here is a copper sleeve. That is for if you have a holder that, let's say, is slipping or is smaller than the dimension of the hole itself. Well, you just make whatever sleeve you want and put her in there, and there you go. So let's put this in the South Bend lathe and try it out. Alright, well, I got her set up here on the lathe. Got the tailstock locked down. You got the lockdown on the spindle here to take the backlash out. That way, when I put it inward, it's nice and smooth. Now, as you see, the chuck is not facing the position of the part. So, I'll just push down the lever here. Hear that click? See the arm move up? That's when you know you're in position. Now, just to show everyone that it's always going to be going towards center, instead of me drilling a nice hole into this part and spoiling the work, I'm going to use a pen to demonstrate that it's always going to go towards center. Always. And the reason why is because with Bidenomics, I can't afford to waste any material. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to push down. I'm going to move it out of the way like so. And put the pen inside like so, acting as a drill bit. Nope, gotta move it back. Lock down. Right there, you heard it click. Now it's in position. Move it forward. Check it out. And as you see, it's very faint because it's a pen, but that is directly in center. So that right there shows you that these turrets are always on center. They always will remain on center. So I would suggest anyone wants one, if they're doing, you know, hobby projects, or if they got a small business down in their basement that they're doing multiples of, and they're going to go to center, drill, tap, or center, countersink, drill, you know, any secondary work is a must-have tool. So that's all I have for now, everyone. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. And tap that notification bell. That way you can see this tool in action in one of my upcoming videos soon. Later.